So what I'm using in playing this Ariaria song is just chord 1, chord 4, and then chord 5. So it's a combination of these chords. This is what I play in my right hand. So I will play it slowly. So if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and then the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. So if you find my video helpful, kindly click on the like button and share with your friends. So if there is any tutorial video you want me to make, kindly drop it on the comment section below. See you next class. Thank you.